I tell you that I miss you? How could I tell you that I love you? How could I tell you that I love you? How could I tell you that I miss you? How could I tell you that I love you? How could I? Cause you were mine, but I ain't tripping, cause you were my type. But I know you ain't tripping over me. And I know I want you, but you don't want me. Yeah, don't want me, but I'm moving on. Yeah, moving on. Yeah, but I know I'll be all good. Yeah, used to trip about you all the days. Goddamn. Now I ain't trippin' cause I know who I am. Took about 6 years but I'm with the program. And Shawty about to know who I am.
Know who I am. Shawty so bad, met her on the Instagram.
Okay, y'all, so now that her hair is parted off, her hair is freshly washed from last night. So I'm just going to basically do the same thing I would do on any other texture hair, okay? Her hair is straight and her hair is waist length, guys. She is Puerto Rican and yeah, her hair is super long. She's been growing her hair out for years. So she asked me, you know, can I braid her hair? And honestly, I did not know if I can braid her hair because I've never braided anyone who isn't Black or African American. So I wasn't sure if it was even going to stay. I wasn't sure if I was going to use braiding hair or what. So I just kind of did a test trial for like the first braid. Then I was like, you know what? I think I can do it this way. I think I can do it that way. You guys don't see that part of me just like taking the hair out and trying another way. But yeah, it basically worked out regular like I would do anybody else's hair. So one thing I can say when you're doing straight hair, to use less product as possible, but you still want to use product because you're going to want to grip it and you're going to want it to lay, you know, secure and lay flat and be precise still. So don't just braid without any product. I still feel like you need product. I'm using the Shine and Jam product. And yeah, I basically, guys, I swear to God, like I did it the same way I do anybody else's hair. And honestly, if you want to be honest, it was a little easier because of the simple fact that, sorry y'all, my voice is going in and out. Because of the simple fact that her hair is already sleek. So you don't really have to put product in and kind of smooth it out before you braid it. You kind of just put the product on and go, okay? Super easy. I used 7 packs of the hair. I used like those big jumbo packs. You know how they have like the 4 or 5 braiding hair in one pack? I used 1.5 packs of those. So that's about 7 packs of braiding hair in the color 1B. And I did end up dipping the ends and everything like that. I did it the same exact way. You guys are going to be able to see me do everything literally the same way, guys. I think it turned out really, really good. She really, really liked it. It was not heavy, anything that she wasn't already used to. Like I said, a lot of people ask me, well, why didn't you just use her own hair to braid? It's because her hair would probably slip out. And how do you really seal the ends when it's just their hair, you know? Then also you will probably have to use rubber bands on the ends if you just use that client's hair, because of the simple fact that, like I said, how are you going to seal the ends if it's just their hair? You will have to seal the ends with rubber bands because their hair is very slick. Okay, so yeah, guys, so like I said, it's literally the same process as I would do anyone else. And yeah, I was super, super excited. I'm glad it turned out really, really well. It took all day, honestly. It's my friend. So we started around like 1:30. We didn't get finished until 12 a.m. So it took about 10.5 hours to complete, but we did keep stopping to eat and stopping to do other things. However, if we went just straight on, it probably would have took like 8.5 hours. Yeah, I won't even consider this waist length. This is definitely thigh length, okay, below her below her butt. So it's definitely thigh length, but I think, like I said, I think they turned out really well. What do you guys think? If you like this, just go ahead and continue watching. Now since these are knotless, I mean, I think the way you learn this is to just watch. Okay, I don't count how many times I add hair. However, I do add hair on the same side every time. I'm left-handed, so I like to add hair on the left hand side every single time. I do not like to add hair on the right and then the left. Okay, like I said, I use the Shine and Jam for the product, and all the other products that I use will be listed below in the description box below. I did use mousse to end everything out, and a little bit of y'all cannot talk today. But anyways, a little bit of got to be glue gel on the edges, and that was about it. She has a little bit of baby hairs that's natural, so we did just kind of play with that just a tad, not nothing crazy. Okay, just to give it that kind of cute look. All right, so yeah, what do you guys think? I hear some people say that why you doing on a white girl, why you even put some braids on someone that's not black. Like I said, she's my friend, she's Puerto Rican. We actually just came back from Puerto Rico, and guys, like, a lot of Puerto Ricans have braids. It's like their thing, so it's not nothing odd or nothing new or nothing different, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, so kind of get with the program if you kind of feel some type of way about this video, because a lot of Puerto Ricans definitely have their hair braided. But yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just go ahead and continue watch me slay her hair, okay? And I will talk to y'all in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.
How long can you do? Yeah. I need your love, I need your touch, I need your love to stay alive. I need your love, I need your touch, I need your love to stay afloat. Yeah, I used to think love was a real thing, but I could be wrong. Yeah, used to think love was a fantasy. I need you right here, baby, don't leave. I need you here, I need your love. I know that you messed up, but I still want you. Yo, yeah, but how could you play me, baby? I thought you were the one, but I guess I took the punch down. Yeah, I learned a lesson, never show love to homie. Trust me, you still got long to go. Still got long to go. Still got. It's not too long, it's not too long, but I still want you.
Told me you're gonna spend your life with me. Told me you out and die for me. Now you don't got the effort, just try for me. Just try for me. I'm trying to see you ain't worth it. I'm looking in your eyes, you ain't perfect. I'm looking at us trying to preserve it. Man, fuck this shit, it ain't working. It ain't worth it. I can still feel her hands run through my hair. Still say her name like someone's there. She's talking about how bloody unfair. Then I walk away, she screams, are you fucking dead? She keeps trying to talk to me. She's irreplaceable, I can't get a word in. I'm incapable of letting it go. I don't know. Motherfuckers ready for the pain. Yeah, this shit hurts, but it's never gonna change. All I see is bars like I'm trapped in a cage. Driving fast cars like I'm trapped in this stage. I don't give a fuck, did you not hear? I don't give a fuck, this is my year. Man, that shit's stuck, down another beer. Man, that shit's stuck, down another beer. Down another
Hey, Tanaro.
Yeah, is it right, is it wrong? Yeah, am I right, am I wrong to fall in love? Cause I know I need your love. Can you let me know? She said keep it on the low. She wanna go real slow down. She wanna keep me on my toes. Yeah, girl, tell me if I'm right for you. Tell me if you're right for you. Cause I know I need your love. Don't waste my time, cause I got to know. Cause I'm too low, yeah.
Hey, Tanaro.
Yeah, is it right, is it wrong? Yeah, am I right, am I wrong to fall in love? Cause I know I need your love. Can you let me know? Yeah, is it right, is it wrong? Yeah, am I right, am I wrong to fall in love? Cause I know I need your love. Can you let me know? Yeah, she said keep it on the low. She wanna go real slow down. She wanna keep me on my toes. Yeah, girl, tell me if I'm right for you. Tell me if you're right for you. Cause I know I need your love. Don't waste my time, cause I got to know. Cause I'm too low, yeah. How long can you do? Yeah. I need your love, I need your touch, I need your love to stay alive. I need your love, I need your touch, I need your love to stay afloat. Yeah. I used to think love was a real thing, but I could be wrong. Yeah. Used to think love was a fantasy. I need you right here, baby, don't leave. I need you here, I need your love. I know that you messed up, but I still want you, yeah. But how could you play me, baby? I thought you were the one, but I guess I took the punch down. Yeah, I learned a lesson, never show love to homie. Trust me, you still got long to go. Still got long to go. Still got. It's not too long, it's not too long, but I still want you.
Told me you're gonna spend your life with me. Told me you out and die for me. Now you don't got the effort, just try for me. Just try for me. I'm trying to see you ain't worth it. I'm looking in your eyes, you ain't perfect. I'm looking at us trying to preserve it. Man, fuck this shit, it ain't working. It ain't worth it. I can still feel her hands run through my hair. Still say her name like someone's there. She's talking about how